So today we're going to be installing TrueNAS on our new server, so let's get into it. So if we plug this TrueNAS USB in, we should be able to boot off of it. There's if I plug in the display cable. Let's power on. Doesn't sound good. Okay, it boots. That's a good sign. Hey, there we go. Now it's just gotta do all of this. Install. Okay, so let's select our SSD. Right, now I guess we just sit and wait for it to install. It's installing the base OS. Installed. Is it really that quick? Let's see if it boots up. Okay, I guess we can go to the web interface. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. So that was actually really easy. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.